Now, children, we are going to start today the remaining part of accounting equation. The balance of assets, capital, and liability yesterday were 8,01,893 of assets, 5,19,783 of capital, 2,82,110 of liability. The 55th transaction says goods costing rupees 10,000, selling price rupees 12,000, lost by 5. So here the goods of the value of rupees 10,000, that was the cost of the goods, and their selling price was 12,000, were lost by 5. So it is the loss of the goods. Whenever the goods are lost, they will not be taken at the selling price, they will be taken at the cost price. It should be made clear by you all. So whenever there is a loss, goods will be taken at the cost price. So goods of rupees 10,000 has been destroyed, therefore our assets are going to decline by rupees 10,000. All the losses are to be deducted from the capital. So our capital will also decline by rupees 10,000 and there will be no effect on the liabilities. So the accounting equation will be 7,91,893 assets is equal to 5,09,783 capital and 2,82,110 liability, because there is no effect on the liability, so the liabilities will remain the same and the assets will decline by rupees 10,000 and the capital will also decline by rupees 10,000. Now transaction 56. Goods costing rupees 20,000, selling price rupees 23,000, stolen from godown. Now this is the case of theft. This is loss by theft. This was loss by fire. This is loss by theft. Again, we will take the cost price. Goods have been destroyed. 20,000 is the loss which will be deducted from the capital, and goods of rupees 20,000 will also were stolen. So our asset will also decline by rupees 20,000. So we will subtract 20,000 from assets and 20,000 from capital. No effect on liabilities. So 7,91,893 minus 20,000 comes to 7,71,893. And in case of capital, 5,09,783 was the bank's capital, less 20,000, 4,89,783 will be the amount of capital, and the liability will be 2,82,110, because there is no effect on the liability. Now the next transaction 57, goods costing rupees 30,000, selling price rupees 34,000, destroyed due to accident, either in the road accident or rail accident, whatever type of accident. These goods were, it means that these goods were in transit. They were in transit, in transport, when the accident happened and the goods were destroyed. So such type of loss is called as loss in transit. So goods of costing rupees 30,000 will be subtracted from the assets, and 30,000 will be the loss which will be deducted from the capital and no effect on liability. So the balance is 7,41,893 of assets, 4,59,783 liabilities, capital, and 2,82,110 is your liability. Now the 58th transaction, cash stolen from office safe rupees 40,000. This is the case of cash stolen. See, either it is cash stolen or it is some type of fraud that has been committed and the cash is misplacing from the account. It is called as cash embezzlement. So there is a cash embezzlement of rupees 40,000. So it is also a loss which will be deducted from the capital, and it will also be deducted from the assets because the cash is no more with us. So 40,000 will be subtracted from assets and 40,000 will be subtracted from capital, and there will be no effect on the liability. So now the accounting equation after deducting 40,000 from assets and liability and capital will be 7,01,893 assets, 4,19,783 capital, and 2,82,110 liabilities. Now the 59th transaction. Goods costing rupees 50,000, selling price rupees 55,000, withdrawn for personal use. Now this is again a case of drawing. The case that we dealt yesterday was day before yesterday was withdrawal of cash for office use and for personal use. Now here is withdrawal of goods for personal use. Again, we will take the cost price, not the selling price of the goods for treating this transaction in accounting equation. So the cost of the goods was 55,000. We will ignore the selling price. So 50,000 will be subtracted from assets because the goods have been taken away by the proprietor for his personal use, and 50,000 will be subtracted from the capital because this is a case of drawings and drawings are subtracted from capital. It's clear? So 50,000 minus from assets and 50,000 minus from capital, and no effect on liability. So the accounting equation will be 6,51,893 assets, 3,69,783 capital, 2,82,110 liabilities. Now 60th transaction. Received a check from Z of rupees 40,000 in full settlement of his account of rupees 41,000. We have received a check from Z. Z was our debtor, and he owed us rupees 41,000. उसको हमें 41,000, उसे हम लोगों को 41,000 rupees देना था. He has paid a check of rupees 40,000 and settled his account. So total amount that was to be received from Z was 41,000, and he is paying us rupees 40,000. So 1,000 is the loss to us. कहाँ 41,000 रुपये लेने थे और कहाँ से 40,000 मिले, 1,000 रुपये का हमारे को हो गया नुकसान. This 1,000 will be subtracted from the capital. What amount we have received? We have received a check of rupees 40,000. This check will increase our bank balance. So asset will increase by rupees 40,000. And one of our debtors, Z, of rupees 41,000 has declined because his account was set. Now here the accounting equation will be 6,50,893, 40,000 plus minus 41,000 comes to minus 1,000. So from 6,51,893 minus 1,000, it will be 6,50,893, and 1,000 will be subtracted from the capital. 3,69,783 was the capital. 1,000 will be subtracted. So 3,68,783 will be the capital, and the liability will remain the same, 2,82,110. Now the 61st transaction, Z's check was dishonored. Now the check that Z has given to us was dishonored. So how this transaction will be dealt? Now here Z will again become our debtor, क्योंकि उससे पैसा तो आया नहीं, वो उसे फ्यूचर में लेंगे उससे पैसा. So he will become our debtor by rupees 40,000, and the bank will be reduced by rupees 40,000. क्योंकि हमने तो जब चेक मिला, we deposited the check into the bank, and we thought that the money will come, so we increase our bank account, we increase our asset. Now we will decrease our asset by rupees 40,000. No effect on capital and no effect on liability. So the accounting equation will be asset 6,50,893, capital 3,68,783, and liability 2,82,110. Now 62 transaction